Lip Oscillation, inspired by Skiller. First step. Choose a vocal note on which you feel comfortable with. Second step. Add a bubbly lip bass over it. It can be done either in the middle or on the side. This is the most important step. You have to experiment a lot in order to get the right pitch. The bass is playing the same notes as the vocal note. Third step. Trigger the sound with the D for better control. Bonus step. You can add a kick before doing the sound to create more impact. Bonus step 2. You can pitch it by playing with the pressure and mouth position. Bonus step 3. Imagine saying ooh for the bass. Job done. Time to beatbox.